Hi guys. So I one of my uh, tenets for trading is the trend is your friend as long as you catch it closer to the beginning than the end, right? And I think it's really important. Um, Other people not as much, but I've got a perfect example of why that is. So I just wanted to show you guys um, the actual tenant in action, right? So I caught a pretty nice trade this morning on this pullback right here. It was very close to the beginning of what appeared to be an uptrend. So I got involved and it worked out pretty well, and I'm pretty happy for the day. Now I've continued to watch the ES, and it started to put in some topping action up this way. But everything looks strong. It looks strong. The indicators look strong. Everything is nice. So it's not something that you would be interested in getting short, and I certainly wasn't, given the fact that I was done for the day. Now, here's where the problem comes in, right? So you've had this really nice run on an intraday basis on the 5-minute chart, and you're like, okay, I just want to get involved. Let me see if I can catch it, so on and so forth. Watch what happened, right? You would think that it's going to start back higher here, right? Well, not so much, right? And this doesn't always happen. It's back basically where it was, right? This doesn't always happen, but it happens with sufficient regularity that you really want to be cognizant of and prudent about trying to get involved in a trend that's late in the trend. Now, is it easy to tell when it's quote unquote late in the trend? Absolutely not. It's not easy at all. But just visually, right? For my 2 cents, it was that this was a fairly easy call, right? Like I would have been reluctant to try to buy this late in the day, right? And it would have been fortuitous. I wouldn't have gotten short just because we were on the upside of the market and so on and so forth. But I wouldn't have been interested in trying to buy this. Now, I might have been interested as it got back closer to what's considered value, but no signal was ever put in. So, for what it's worth, that's what I mean when I say that trying to buy it up here was just not a good idea. And then as it got lower, it just never provided a signal. It actually looks like it's about to now, but that's it's much closer to support, which if you want to watch, we've done other videos on, right? This would be considered support in this area right here, right? Okay, so again, the trend is definitely your friend as long as you catch it closer to the beginning than the end. All right, we'll talk to you in the next video.